You know that feeling where no matter how much effort you put into your videos, they still get stuck at double-digit views? Maybe that's because you're not following the YouTube algorithm changes. The algorithm system is dynamic and changes from time to time. That's why, like all the other creators out there, you should follow the latest updates from YouTube. Recently, some tips were published on how small YouTubers can climb the YouTube success ladder. The first thing you should note is that the YouTube algorithm isn't about taking a video and then finding the right audience for that video. In fact, it's the other way around. The algorithm focuses on the end users and then finds something relevant to show them. And this process is based on a user's watch history. So if someone has seen a video of yours before, there's a very high chance that one of your videos will be recommended to them again. But what if you're a new YouTuber who has yet to publish a few videos and a specific audience? YouTube says that in such cases, they'll rely on the metadata of those videos. As I mentioned in my other videos, video optimization and full detailing are huge advances to improve your content in the system's algorithm. So, never again forget to complete all the details of your video, like titles, descriptions, tags, etc., or be too lazy to do so. Another thing you should keep in mind is that you should avoid oversaturated niches. These niches include specific channels that focus on one thing, like Fortnite, Minecraft, Apple, and other similar channels where the competition rate is the highest. I'm not saying you should start completely in an unknown niche, because that would contradict what I always tell my subscribers and viewers, namely to work on what's already working. Another thing you may be doing unknowingly that's getting in the way of your channel's success is relying solely on YouTube to increase the reach of your videos. Ideally, if you share your content on other platforms, it'll get better exposure, and its discoverability will be significantly increased. So always take out the best parts of your videos and share them on various relevant social media platforms. You should search for related content on the internet or users' questions and problems, and then suggest to them your relevant videos that answer their questions. In this way, you'll help other people answer their questions and at the same time increase the reach of your videos the more you use this trick. Think this is too much work? I doubt it. And if you look at it positively, you only need to do these things at the beginning of your YouTube journey, when you're trying to increase your visibility. And after that, when you reach the milestone you want, it'll all be worth it. Want to learn more? Check out my complete course on making money with YouTube that will take you from zero knowledge to a skillfully high-earning YouTube creator in no time. MadMoneyMax's course will show you step-by-step how to create your channel. Choose the best niche for you, enhance your channel with visual graphics, market your content, and so much more. Click on the link in the description below to learn more. And again, the tips I've presented here aren't the only things you should feed your channel with. Even as a small YouTuber, you should still do everything you can to optimize your content as best as you can. You can learn many more techniques and secrets on how to grow your channel quickly in this video of mine right here, so be sure to check that one out too. I hope you got some benefit from it, and I'll see you in my next video.